The bail hearing of a Walter Sisulu University staff member is expected to continue today in the Mthatha Magistrates Court. The 54-year-old man is accused of fatally shooting a student while two other students were wounded during the protest at the university. Lwandile Mbulali is standing by to give us an update on that story. Lwandile, talk to us about this particular case.
Well, good morning to you and good morning to everyone watching at home. We are at Mthatha Magistrates Court, where the case will be heard. The bail hearing is expected to continue this morning. Yesterday we did hear from two witnesses who were called before the court by the state prosecutor, who told the court that some of the witnesses are actually receiving death threats because they are involved in this case. And one of those witnesses is one of the students that was shot on that day when the Mbolekwa student, when he died at WSU campus here in Mthatha. And also we heard that if the 54-year-old is released from court, he might tamper with evidence. They are saying that after the students were shot at Walter Sisulu University, he told some of the staff members who work at the university to collect cartridges, and we heard from the police that only one cartridge was found, but 4 rounds were shot on that day. And we also heard that they also went to the morgue, the hospital morgue, where they also confiscated the student card of the deceased students. So they are saying if he is released on bail, he will tamper with evidence. The second witness told the court, and that witness was the investigating officer, he told the court how the firearm was actually found in Port Alfred. He was saying that when they went to Port Alfred to get that firearm, they actually found 2 firearms, and the second firearm was actually a fake firearm. We heard that the 54-year-old was actually told by his lawyer to buy a fake firearm so that they can hide the actual firearm that was used during that when the students were shot at Walter Sisulu University. And one of the things that were very shocking is that another firearm was also found in the same place in Port Alfred, in the same home, and that firearm has been sent for ballistic testing. That we heard that that firearm was also used in the commission of crime in Gonobi in East London. So we are actually waiting to hear which firearm was actually used, because if you listen carefully, there is actually 2 firearms right now that could be linked to the death of Mbolekwa. Behind me you will see that some students have started arriving as the court is expected to start at 9 o'clock. One of the witnesses that was called yesterday was the SRC premier here in the Mthatha campus, but he was not here. So after they finish with the investigating officer, they might continue and cross-examine the premier of the SRC here in the Mthatha campus, as he was there as well during the fateful day at Walter Sisulu University. As you can see that they started arriving here, the students have started arriving, and this road will be closed because a number of them will actually be protesting. This is what we have been seeing in the past few days. From us here at Mthatha, it is back to you in studio. We'll continue to give you what is happening here during the course of the day.
Right, Lwandile, thanks. We'll be watching this particular case very, very carefully. Lwandile Mbulali is in the Walter Sisulu University. That's where the Mthatha Magistrates Court is going to be hearing this particular trial.